Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Lhorsef Lives, and for today's video is I'm going to show, or we're going to unbox or no, what inside of this sanitary pouch bag. So if you're interested, please stay until this video is end. So, welcome back to me. And it's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa aking YouTube channel, and I always posted on my Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. So, please follow also. So, for you to keep updated. And now, this is my sanitary pouch bag, and this is from Yesstyle. And this sanitary pouch is very helpful kasi nagagamit ko siya dati every time na nag-travel kami. And syempre, hindi mo mawala yung skincare. So, maliit lang siya actually. This is for napkins, but I'm using this for my travel kit skincare. So, ano naman naman ito? So, yan. Akala ko nung una, maliit lang siya. In-order ko siya sa online. I mean, sa Yesstyle. But nung dumating siya, ganito, kalaki. So the first thing is, this is my Jumiso Clean and Mild Facial Cleanser. So I'm using this for day and night skincare. Before washing my face, I apply this cleanser. Of course, para malinis yung mga makeups or yung mga alikabok sa mukha natin. So, mas magandang gumamit tayo ng cleanser. And the next is, yes, I am toner is also from Jumiso. So, kailangan mo lang, meron din ako dito pads. So, ayan, magkaka lang ng 3 drops, and then, apply mo lang siya all over your face. So, wag mo siyang balik-balikin. So, dapat naka-circle lang siya. Circle motion. Para hindi rin po masira yung face natin. So, kailangan din natin mag-apply gently and wag po masyadong madiin. At, pag hindi po kayo hiyang is mararamdaman nyo po yung hapde sa inyong face using the toner. And after the toner, is you need to use, I'm using this one, Jumiso facial serum. So, traveling kit lang pala siya Manila. So, I put 1 to 2 drops in my palm and rub gently all over my face para hindi po siya masayang. I-rub po natin siya. So, I'm using this also for morning and night skincare. And after that is maglalagay po tayo ng eye cream. So, this is very important dahil lagi akong late matulog. So, medyo hindi na ako nagkakaroon ng dark marks basta dito sa under eye. And nakaka-lessen din to ng eye bags. So this is from Benton. Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. I'm using this only night time. So maganda siya. So spread mo lang siya dito sa eyes, crown, and massage. And next is this rovectin Skin Essential Barrel Face Oil. So, maganda din siya. And I'm using this for day and night skincare. So, kung sobrang init dito sa Saudi, but I'm still using this kasi young po yung face ko. And nawawala po yung pimples and some pimple marks. So, very effective po siya. Yeah. And the next is, I'm using 2 creams. So, this one is from Jumiso. Have a Snail, centella. This is for all skin type. And I'm using this also for the gel. This one is for the night, and this is for the morning. The Aloe propolis soothing gel from Benton Cosmetics. So, maganda kasi yung gel is may cooling effect siya. So, dahil sobrang init dito sa Saudi, so I'm using this for daytime. Gel-based po siya. And this cream naman for night. And for morning, so I will not forget, of course, the sunscreen from Neogen. This one. So, very handy siya. And apply lang ng sunscreen. Sunscreen is good every day. Dahil may SPF siya to protect our skin to the sun rays. and sun radicals. And of course, for the night, I'm using this lip night mask. So, kung nagmamask tayo ng face, so dapat may mask din tayo. If wala kayo nito, pwede din kayo gumamit ng Vaseline. So, this one, I'm using this from Careline. And pagising mo sa umaga is pag mga cracked lips ka, lilesen po siya and maganda talaga siya yung feel mo talaga na may changes. Hindi na siya dry yung lips mo. So, yeah. This is my travel kit skincare. So, yan. Yan yung lagay niya. So, dito, meron siyang pouch. Lagay ng napkin. And ito yung bag. So, yan. So, if you want to purchase this sanitary pouch, just visit Yesstyle and you can use my code Lhorsef28 for you to avail an extra discount. And of course, some products that I mentioned, ilalagay ko lang siya sa description box para alam nyo rin and directly na kayo mapupunta doon sa Yesstyle na website. So, this is my sanitary pouch bag. So, thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope you support me on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment kung may tatanong kayo about the skincare. God bless and keep safe, everyone.